or collaborate. Fadwa Khalil will be presenting on CloudFormation, and let's play the video.
Hello, my name is Fadwa, and today we're going to talk about continuous integration and delivery using mainly CloudFormation along with other tools that helps DevOps to deliver software with a click of a button. Every part of the software integration and delivery process is automated from check-in to production. This includes the application code, maybe database changes, the infrastructure, configuration, really everything. One way to visualize continuous integration and delivery is to imagine a factory where cross-functional engineers are working various parts of the software as it moves along the slide. In the past, teams used to deliver software every month or so due to manual error-prone processes. Often, pieces of the delivery package go back and forth between teams. This is a long, expensive exercise with the final package assembled, which could be a hassle to keep repeating the same process over and over again. With continuous integration and delivery, software can be delivered several times a day or once a week or as often as needed. In other words, it's always in a releasable state. When compared to traditional delivery methods, continuous delivery offers two key advantages. The first is that the software is always ready to release, meaning you don't stop and make a special effort to release the software. The second is that there aren't any walls between the teams. Instead, their delivery teams are made up of developers, testers, DBAs, operations, and QA, all contributing to the single path to production. So we're not talking about developer changes here. No matter what the change is to the data's infrastructure or whatever, the entire package can get built, tested, analyzed, and deployed. When it passes through all these checks, it can be a release candidate and potentially be released to users if the business chooses to do so. When a problem is discovered throughout the process, quick feedback notifies the team members that there is something wrong and they need to fix it. The issue gets fixed and the script gets updated. When the acceptance criteria are met, it moves along the path into production. So, in summary, continuous delivery is concerned with all parts of the software system and how all teams work as part of a single path in production. This way, software gets to users quicker and in a more predictable, controlled manner. My project architectural solution will automatically deploy a horizontally scaled system in AWS, implementing the shown architecture, which includes a CloudFormation JSON template is generated once using CloudFormer to be pushed to GitHub repository. GitHub, which will integrate using webhooks with a deployed Jenkins server, auto-scaled using an AWS EC2 instance to commit and push the updated template. Jenkins will utilize CloudFormation to deploy infrastructure. A full build instigated by Jenkins will produce a full running service, and CloudFormation stacks get built and ready to run your software of your choice. For full solution, please access my GitHub repository page at the indicated URL. Thank you and good luck.
Okay, and questions in the room? Is your code in GitHub?
Actually, I couldn't have a code, so I only had a template to push from GitHub to whatever changes happens in parameters in template, it gets reflected into CloudFormation where the stack gets created.
So those are interesting animations.
Yeah.
Were you able to test any testing defects in the software?
Yeah, well, actually, I used it because several times I ran the template and I got some errors. Jenkins and CloudFormation, both of them, they had some logs or notes about the error that helped me to troubleshoot it and then run it again.
And you were able to debug, and it
yes.
was informative from the software.
Yeah.
Very good.
So it's the base or the core of any deployment of any software that makes it run on the fly and makes it easier for DevOps to proceed in deploying whatever software into production. So it's a very useful tool. I love it. So actually,
It was easy.
yeah.
done. Oh, good. All right.
And it's only a configuration once and for all. That's it.
Excellent.
So you used CloudFormer. Was
Yes.
that to create the formation templates from an existing infrastructure or something else?
I used CloudFormer. But what I did is I used one of the samples template, the structure of it, but I edited it based. Well, actually, I had to create different instances with scaling, with load balancing, and I created my own network, and then I ran CloudFormer using one instance, which is required for running it, and it created that template.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. Thanks. All right. Vasu, we noticed that you presented last week on CloudFront. Thank you very much. And Michael, also a very good presentation. Sorry we couldn't get the microphone on for you to work. Next is Cloud Search by Prakasha.
Welcome to Amazon Cloud Search presentation. As a part of this presentation, we would be understanding what it means by providing search as a service, what Amazon Cloud Search is offering, the benefits related with Amazon Cloud Search, and the features that's associated